Hello everyone, I'm Sugat Pawar from the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I'm going to implement 4-bit up counter using IC74LS76 on digital trainer. As we know that a single flip-flop can store 1 bit of information, here we have to design 4-bit asynchronous up counter. For 4-bit we need to use 4 flip-flops. So here we are using 7476 IC. It contains JK flip-flops. Single IC contains 2 JK flip-flops. For 4-bit we need to use 2 7476 ICs, so that we'll get total 4 JK flip-flops. Preset and clear, these are active low pins. We are not using active low pins here, that is preset and clear pins we are not using here. So we have to inactive these pins. So the procedure to inactive preset and clear pin, just to connect all preset and clear pin to VCC, so that it will not get activate. JK of all the flip-flops, that is J1 K1, J2 K2, J3 K3, J4 K4, we are going to connect to VCC, so that it will count 0 0 0 0 to 4 times 1, that is 0 to 15. So according to this pin diagram or pin structure, we will make connections. First of all, make connections for VCC and ground of both the ICs. Pin number 5 is VCC for both IC. I will connect it to VCC. Pin number 13 is ground pin. Now pin number 2, 3 of both the ICs are preset and clear pin. Make it short and connect it to VCC. Then pin number 7 and 8 of both the ICs are again preset and clear pin. Both connected to ground, VCC. Pin number 4 and 16 of both the ICs are J1 and K1 pin. So connect it to VCC 4 and 16. Next 12 and 9. This is 9, 12. Connect it to VCC. Pin number 1 of first IC is external clock input pin. So connect it to clock input. Pin number 15 of first IC is connected to pin number 6 of first IC only. Then pin number 11 of first IC is connected to pin number 1 of second IC. Pin number 15 of second IC is connected to pin number 6 of second IC. Now connect the outputs. This one is Q1. Q1 is at pin number 15 of first IC. Q2 at pin number 11 of first IC. Q3 is pin number 15 of first IC, second IC, and Q4 is MSB, that is pin number 11 of second IC. I'm done with the connection. Now we'll check the output. Now I'll switch on circuit. It will show you the output, that is from 0 to 15. See, this one is 8, 9. One zero is 10. Now this one is 11, 12, 1100. 1101 is 13. 1110 is 14, and 4 times 1 is 15. After that, counter will reset and start counting from 0. This 7 segment will show only 0 to 9 readings. After that, we have to see the next numbers on LEDs. (10 to 15) numbers we have to check on LEDs. This 1010 is 10, 1011 is 11, 1100 is 12, 1101 is 13, 1110 is 14, and 4 times 1 is 15. After that, counter will reset.
Thank you.